Okay, we've got some quick inside news for you, and that's from a trusted source too. So, the DJI Avata 360 is being talked about like a creator-first 360 drone. Dual 1-inch sensors, 8K at 60 frames per second panoramic capture, and DJI's flagship O4 Plus transmission for a cleaner, more reliable live view when you're framing shots in the air. But surprisingly, pricing is said to start at $489 for the unit alone, or $680 for the bundle pack. Aggressive pricing, isn't it? What excites us is the flexibility. Shoot full 360 degrees for wild reframes later, or switch to single lens for classic cinematic movement. Add omnidirectional obstacle sensing, plus integrated propeller guard, and it starts sounding genuinely beginner-friendly for us. Do you want to know more about the upcoming DJI Avata 360? Do let us know in the comments.